How to install the X app on your phone. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, if you are on your Android, head over to your Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, you can head over to your App Store. Once you're in the store, tap on the search bar and type in X and search for it. You'll find the app in the search results. This app is formerly known as Twitter. So even if you search for Twitter, it'll appear over here. You'll see the app with this X logo. And right next to it, you can see the install option. If you're on your iOS device, you will see the option of Get. In order to install this app, you can tap on this install button. The download process might take few moments depending on your internet speed. The app is being installed on your phone. Once the download is complete, you can see this open button in the right hand side. You can directly launch this app from here, so tap on open. And there you go, you have successfully installed the X app on your phone. You can now create your account and enjoy using this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.